Good evening to one and all. In Cebuano, we say, maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. In Tagalog, we say, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Of course, in English, maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. In Cebuano rather. Well, I'm so happy to be here tonight, to be with all of you. I cannot stay long. I have so many other engagements to attend. But you are in the right city, Cebu City, the best city in the Philippines. Actually, Cebu City is the oldest city in the Philippines, in Asia. And Cebu City, likewise, boasts of so many heritage structures. Cebu City is the first capital of the Philippines for about 9 to 10 months before it was moved to Manila. And of all the Cebuano people, of all the people in the Philippines, of all the Filipino people, the Cebuano is the most hospitable. You better clap here now. We are more hospitable than the how do you call the Bataanweños, or what do you call that? Bataeños. We are more hospitable than the Bataeños. That's true. We are more hospitable than the Tagalogs. Where are the Tagalogs? We are more hospitable than the Bicolanos. Are there Bicolanos here? We are more hospitable than the Ilocanos. What else are here? We are more hospitable than the Davaoeños. Maraming taga Davao. But you know why? You have to listen to the story, why we are. And when I say that, I do not base it on something that I plucked from thin air. I have a basis to say why the Cebuano is the most hospitable of all the Filipino people. And my basis is in the record or history books. If you recall, when you were younger, you will read history and the Philippines, and you will read that the Philippines was actually discovered by Ferdinand Magellan through Cebu in the island called Mactan. You know that, right?
Correct.
The Philippines was discovered by Magellan through Cebu, or the island of Mactan. So Magellan, Ferdinand Magellan, who was a Spanish conquistador, was considered Cebu's first visitor or first tourist, because he came to Cebu. Am I correct? And to show how hospitable the Cebuanos are to our first visitor, Ferdinand Magellan, the chieftain of Cebu called Lapu-Lapu, to show his hospitality to Magellan. You know what Lapu-Lapu did to Magellan? We killed him. Lapu-Lapu killed him to show his hospitality. So now you know why the Cebuano is most hospitable, di ba? So can you imagine what we did to our first visitor? We killed him. That's how hospitable the Cebuanos are. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, that you are all our visitors tonight. So what do we do to you? We will also kill you. But this time, no longer with spears and bolos, but rather with the Cebuano love and kindness. A lot of people tell me that Cebu is one of the best places to live in, because it has the mixture of the sea and the mountains. And that is very true. 30 minutes ago, you were in the beach in Mactan. And another 30 minutes from here, you can also go to the mountains in Busay. And that's why people love to live here. And that's why Cebu is a melting pot of different, not only nationalities, but different cultures, Filipino cultures. And so, thank you for, I think, this is one of the things that I have to tell all of you, that I would like to thank you for making Cebu City, or Cebu in general, the venue of your Geeks on the Beach year 7. Thank you very much for choosing us. And it is my honor and my pleasure to host you tonight. And I hope you still have time to go around and enjoy Cebu. Not only the city, but Cebu province. We have a lot of things to offer. You can do so many things aside from going to the beach. You can go diving, you can go whale watching. And of course, don't forget to shop. You have to shop. You have to use your hard-earned money and spend it here in Cebu. It's good for our economy. No, but aside from that, seriously, I hope that this will really be the start of a relationship between you and the city of Cebu. And I invite many of you who are looking at investments here in Cebu City. This is a very business-friendly city, and we are an investor haven. We take care of our businessmen, and we take care of our investors. And we hope that indeed you can come back with your families, with your friends, enjoy our city, enjoy the Cebuano people, the most hospitable in the entire Philippines. Daghang salamat ug maayong gabi kanatong tanan.